All right, PE legends, let's talk about muscles. They're the engine room of your body, the power behind every sprint, jump, and tackle. You've got over 600 muscles, all working hard to help you move, breathe, and even digest your dinner. Muscles are made up of these amazing fibers that contract and relax, kind of like elastic bands. When you challenge them with exercise, they get stronger and bigger. That's how you build those biceps, quads, and all the other cool muscle names. But muscles aren't just about looking good on the beach, though that's a bonus. They're essential for everything you do in life, from walking the dog to dominating on the sports field. Now let's talk about muscular strength. This is all about how much force your muscles can generate in one big effort. Think lifting a heavy weight, pushing a car out of a ditch, hopefully not, or powering through a scrum in a rugby match. Why is muscular strength so important in sports? Well, imagine trying to hit a 6 in cricket with arms like wet spaghetti. You need strong muscles to generate power and speed. Think about football. A strong striker needs powerful leg muscles to outjump defenders for a header. In rugby, you need serious upper body strength to make a tackle or push through a scrum. Even in netball and rounders, throwing and hitting with power all comes down to muscular strength. So, whether you're a budding Mo Farah or a future Serena Williams, building your muscular strength is your secret weapon to smashing those personal bests and leaving your opponents in the dust. Right, time to find out how strong you really are. There are loads of ways to test your muscular strength, but we're going to focus on two classics, the grip dynamometer test and the 1 rep max test. Don't worry, they sound fancy, but they're actually pretty straightforward. These tests are like mini competitions with yourself. You're trying to beat your own best and see how you measure up against others. It's all about pushing your limits and seeing what your body can do. Remember, everyone is different, and there's no shame in starting small. The important thing is to have fun, challenge yourself, and track your progress. First up, we've got the grip dynamometer test. This bad boy measures the strength of your hand and forearm muscles. It's super simple. You just grab this handheld device, squeeze it as hard as you can, and boom, your grip strength is recorded. Why do we care about grip strength? Well, it's more important than you think. A strong grip helps with everything from opening jars, no more asking your mum for help, to controlling a tennis racket or cricket bat. Plus, research shows that people with stronger grips tend to be healthier overall. Who knew such a simple test could tell us so much? Now for the big one, the 1 rep max or 1 RM test. This test is all about finding out the maximum amount of weight you can lift in one go for a specific exercise. It's usually done with exercises like the bench press, squat, or deadlift. Start light and gradually increase the weight until you find your limit. Safety first, always. The 1 RM test is a great way to track your progress in strength training. As you get stronger, you'll be able to lift more weight, which is super motivating. Plus, it helps you figure out the right weight to use for your other exercises. Remember, this test is all about finding your own personal best. Don't compare yourself to others, just focus on pushing yourself and celebrating your own achievements. So, you've crushed your grip dynamometer and 1 rep max tests. Nice one. Now what? It's time to see how you stack up against the competition. This is where normative data comes in. It's data from thousands of people your age and gender, giving you a benchmark. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Focus on your own progress. Use these scores as motivation to keep training and improving. With hard work and dedication, you'll be smashing those averages in no time. Now that you know how to measure your muscular strength, let's talk about how to build it. We're going to focus on 2 main types of training free weights and fixed resistance machines. But first things first, remember that safety always comes first. Before you start lifting anything heavy, make sure you've got proper form and technique. Aim for 3 to 5 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions for each exercise to effectively build muscular strength. Alright, let's dive into how to use free weights and resistance machines to build muscular strength. Free weights, like dumbbells and barbells, are great because they allow for a full range of motion and engage multiple muscle groups. Start with lighter weights to master your form, then gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. Remember, it's all about control and technique, not just lifting the heaviest weight you can find. Fixed resistance machines, on the other hand, are fantastic for isolating specific muscles and providing a safer environment for beginners. They guide your movements, reducing the risk of injury. Make sure to adjust the machine settings to fit your body properly. Combining both free weights and resistance machines in your training routine can give you the best of both worlds, helping you build strength efficiently and safely. Happy lifting!